Hello children, welcome back. In last video we learned about solar system and more about planets. In this video we are going to learn about our planet Earth. Our planet Earth is a beautiful planet, and here look at this slide. In this slide you can see blue color portion, right? This blue color portion indicates water and remaining landforms. It has land and water, mountains and valleys, hills and plains. Landforms means mountains, valleys, hills and plains. It has plants, animals and people. Earth is the only planet which supports life. It was born as a huge ball of dust and hot gases. It means our Earth was a huge ball of dust and hot gases. It has dust and hot gases, and the ball kept on spinning. As it spun, its outer surface grew cold and hard. Here the ball means our Earth. Our Earth kept on spinning. Spinning means moving around itself on its axis. As it spun, its outer surface grew cold and hard. As it spun, our Earth's outer surface became hard and cold. Some gases escaped while some were trapped inside. At this time, some gases were escaped and some gases were trapped inside our Earth. Now we are going to learn the layers of the Earth. Children, to understand very easily the layers of the Earth, now we are going to compare our Earth with a half-boiled egg. It's quite interesting. Look at this slide. You can see 3 layers of the Earth, that is crust, mantle and core. Now we are going to learn in detailed manner. Today the Earth is like a half-boiled egg. Its outer surface is hard, but deep inside it has hot molten material. It means if you compare our Earth with a half-boiled egg, whatever the outer hard shell, white hard shell is crust, and the outer surface is called the crust. The inside portion is called the core. Inside the egg we have yellow portion, right? That yellow portion is nothing but core. Between the outer crust and the inner core, there are layers of rocks, minerals and metals in solid form. This layer is called the mantle. Here, between first layer, that is crust, and third layer, core, we have second layer, that is mantle. This mantle contains rocks, minerals and metals in solid form, whereas in core portion, rocks and minerals in liquid form. This is the main difference in between core and mantle. Whereas mantle consists of rocks and minerals in solid form, in core portion, hot molten material, means rocks and minerals in liquid form. Next. Today, even after millions of years, the core has an extremely high temperature and is under great pressure. After millions of years, the core has an extremely high temperature and is under great pressure. So, here our core portion has an extremely high temperature, means more temperature and high pressure. Have you ever heard about volcano, children? Here, look at this slide. You can see an active volcano. Here, what is mean by volcano? How many types of volcanoes we have? Now we are going to learn in detailed manner. The boiling liquids and gases of the core push against the outer crust. Here, whatever the hot molten material present inside the core portion, that will come outside, that is crust. The weak spots of the Earth crack open under this pressure, letting the hot boiling liquids and gases gush out. This is how a volcano is formed. Wherever we have weak spots on the first layer, here in previous slide you can see here first layer, right, crust. Wherever we have weak spots on the crust, from that weak spots the hot molten material will gush out. Gush out means hot molten material will come outside with more temperature and create pressure. This is how a volcano is formed. Here in this slide you can see an active volcano. Now we are going to learn types of volcanoes. Mainly we have three types of volcanoes: active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano. Here, an active volcano is one which erupts regularly. A dormant volcano is one which has not erupted for a long time. A volcano is said to be extinct if it has not erupted during recorded history. Here, an active volcano means which comes regularly. A dormant volcano means which has not erupted for a long time. And extinct volcano, here it has not erupted in recorded history. Till now, whatever we have learned from the topic, we have few new words. They are crust, C-R-U-S-T, crust, mantle, M-A-N-T-L-E, mantle, core, C-O-R-E, core, spinning, S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G, spinning, escaped, E-S-C-A-P-E-D, escaped, temperature, T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E, temperature, pressure, P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E, pressure, active volcano, A-C-T-I-V-E-V-O-L-C-A-N-O, active volcano, dormant volcano, D-O-R-M-A-N-T-V-O-L-C-A-N-O, dormant volcano, extinct volcano, E-X-T-I-N-C-T-V-O-L-C-A-N-O, extinct volcano. With this, our topic completed. Thank you, children.